everybody, Bo from Triumph Lake Norman. I just wanted to thank y'all for joining us on this very special unboxing of a true legend in the two-wheel world, the Triumph Thruxton RS. This one in particular, kind of a sad moment. This is the final edition, so a last hoorah to over 2 decades of a spectacular machine from track days to the back twisty roads, one of my favorites to ride. And the final edition coming in this beautiful Triumph only competition green with hand pinstripe, gold accents, gold lettering, absolute piece of artwork, which the Thruxton has always been. Thank you guys for watching this video. Come and see us. We invite you down to Triumph Lake Norman. We'd love to get you riding on your dream machine. And we will see you next time. Stay tuned.